You know the feeling. You've got a decision to make, a task to start, a problem to solve. So you think about it and think and research and make pro-con lists that have sub-lists. You explore every possible angle, every potential outcome, every worst-case scenario. And then nothing. You're stuck, frozen, more confused than when you started. That, my friend, is analysis paralysis. It's the curse of the modern age where we have infinite information but zero clarity. You're not just thinking, you're overthinking yourself into a coma. Most advice is useless. Just make a decision. Trust your gut. Great. My gut is currently suggesting a nap and a large pizza, which probably isn't the answer to my career crisis. We're not doing that fluffy crap here. We're going to dissect this overthinking trap and give you a brutally simple system to escape it. Let's be clear, overthinking isn't a sign you're super intelligent or thorough. Often it's a clever disguise for fear. Fear of making the wrong choice. Fear of missing out. Fear of looking stupid. So, your brain hits the Analyze More button, hoping to find a magical, risk-free, perfect solution that doesn't exist. And what's the cost of this endless mental masturbation? Wasted time, missed opportunities, crippling stress, and a whole lot of nothing getting done. You're so busy planning the perfect first step that you never actually take it. Here's the counterintuitive part. You don't need more information to escape analysis paralysis. You often need less. You need constraints. You need a way to cut through the noise and force clarity. The goal isn't to find the perfect answer, it's to find a good enough answer that allows you to move forward. I used to overthink everything. Choosing a restaurant could take an hour of menu comparison. Picking a new laptop, weeks of spec sheets. It was exhausting. The irony, I often ended up no happier with the perfectly researched choice than I would have been with a quicker, good enough one. I was optimizing for things that didn't actually matter at the expense of my time and sanity. So how do you break free from this mental quicksand? Forget complex decision trees. We're going for ruthless simplicity. I call it the 3-question fix to kill overthinking. Whenever you're stuck in analysis paralysis, stop, breathe, and ask yourself these 3 brutally honest questions. Write down the answers if you have to. Question 1. What is the actual cost of making a good enough decision or taking a small wrong step right now? Be specific. Not my life will be ruined. Is it 10 minutes wasted? A small amount of money? A slightly awkward conversation? Most of the time, the real-world cost of a minor misstep is incredibly low, especially compared to the cost of perpetual inaction. Your brain inflates the risk. Call its bluff. Question 2. What is the guaranteed cost of staying stuck in indecision for another day, week, month? This one is key. Focus on the certainty of loss. If you do nothing, lost time you'll never get back. Continued stress and anxiety. Missed deadlines or opportunities. Projects that never launch. Dreams that fade. Make this pain real. This creates urgency to act. Question 3. What is the absolute smallest physically actionable next step I can take in the next 5 minutes to get any kind of data or momentum, regardless of the perfect plan? Forget the grand strategy for a moment. What is the tiniest thing you can do? Send that one email. Make that one call. Write that one paragraph, even if it's crap. Sketch that one idea. The goal here isn't to solve the whole problem, it's to break the inertia. Action creates clarity. Action gives you real-world feedback, which is far more valuable than another hour of internal debate. That's it. 3 questions. They force you to confront the inflated fears, acknowledge the real cost of an action, and identify an immediate low-risk starting point. It's a system for cutting through the mental clutter. Let's apply it. Stuck on which online course to take? 1. Cost of picking a good enough one and starting? Maybe a few hours and some money if it's not perfect. 2. Cost of staying stuck? Weeks of no new skills, continued frustration. 3. Smallest next step? Watch the free intro video of one course. Just one. Can't decide how to start your new business idea? 1. Cost of one small wrong experiment, e.g. talking to one potential customer. Minimal. 2. Cost of staying stuck. Idea never sees daylight. 3. Smallest next step? Write down 3 people you could ask about your idea. This isn't about making reckless decisions. It's about recognizing that for most things, endless analysis yields diminishing returns. You reach a point where more thinking doesn't lead to a better outcome, only more delay. The 3-question fix helps you identify that point and push through. Your brain will resist this. It loves the illusion of control that overthinking provides. It loves the safety of inaction. You have to consciously deploy these questions. Make it a habit. The more you use it, the faster you'll become at identifying and escaping the analysis paralysis trap. We live in an age drowning in choices and information. Your ability to cut through the noise, make a good enough decision, and act is a superpower. Stop letting overthinking steal your time, your energy, and your progress. So, what are you overthinking right now? What decision or task has you trapped in a mental loop? Don't just nod and say, "Good idea." This only works if you use it. Pick one thing, just one. Apply the 3-question fix to it immediately after this video. Identify that smallest next step, and then, for the love of all that is productive, do it. Break the loop, escape the trap, get moving. Come back and tell me in the comments, what did you apply the 3-question fix to, and what was your tiny next step? Let's make action the new default.